sa ating physical health, it is also important for us to relax our mind and improve our spiritual lives in order to live better. Ayon sa American Psychological Association, isa sa mga paraan para ma-relax ang ating pag-iisip at mapabuti ang ating pananampalataya is connecting with nature. Doing so can significantly influence our overall well-being, both physically and psychologically. Sa katunayan, ang simpleng paglalakad o pag-e-exercise ay nakakapagbigay ng maraming benepisyo. Isa sa mga pinakamagandang lugar kung saan pwede tayong maging one with nature ay sa mga park sa ating bansa.
Yan po ang nag-re-release ng tension ng mga tao na medyo sabihin natin na stress. At yung pong site ng ay na-enjoy nila ang kapaligiran. Nakikita nila na ang lugar, mayroon ng Manila na ganitong lang, magsaserve ng lang of Manila na nagpipilter ng mga pollution, napupurify ng air.
Karaniwang dinadayo ng mga tao ang mga parks para makalanghap ng sariwang hangin, magpahinga, o di naman kaya mag-exercise.
Ang karaniwan pong ginagawa ng mga visitors natin yung meditation, nagme-meditate po doon sa meditation area, Tai Chi doon sa may Pasig Linear Park, at walking dito sa palibot ng park. Minsan may jogging activities na ginagawa.
Pati mga atleta, kinagawian ng pumunta dito para mag-ensayo.
Dito more on walking and slow jog ako rito. Then I do some squats, I do yung vertical push-ups. Kasi may mga injuries din ako so I cannot do full I do some stretching, sometimes meditation. We have meditation area here. So basic yung nagagawa ko dito pero malaking tulong for my well-being.
Para kay water polo head coach Dale Evangelista, being in an environment surrounded by trees and wildlife gives him the sense of peace and mental clarity, allowing him to function effectively in his daily routine.
Yung pagiging atleta, pagiging politician, mahiwalay ko muna sandali para yung mental health mo is makapag-decide ka ng mas maganda, makapag-isip ka. Kasi pag dito ka, mag-isa ka lang, nagra-run ka, nagwo-walk ka, parang fresh everything. After mo rito, parang fresh ka ulit. You can do another thing na mas maganda sa community.
Inamin din ng athlete politician ng oras na ginugugol niya sa park not only provides him with the opportunity to appreciate nature, but also to connect with his inner self and spirituality.
Kasi yung spiritual, you can connect You connect to the Lord, you connect to the nature, you can connect to the people. So kasi pag maayos yung spiritual being mo, mas maganda rin yung decision making mo para sa mga tao. Kasi kung ang isip mo is hindi malinaw, hindi maayos, yung spirituality mo hindi maganda, parang yung vibes will be always negative.
Regardless of who you are, whether an athlete, student, or worker, taking time to appreciate the beauty of nature can greatly improve your health. Nature has a powerful healing effect that can help calm our emotions, restore our energy, and connect us with the world and those around us. Ultimately, this can help us to live better. Thank you guys for joining me in today's episode. My name is Meg Xiaozan, encouraging everyone to live better.